In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a repository on GitHub. So you can see this is my new account. So how to create a repository? So here's the two way. You can see the left side create a repository. Otherwise, you can click on this profile icon. Again, click on these repositories. So I recommend this option. Then now just you can see here is a new option. Just click here. Then now you need to choose and name your wipes. So actual purpose I write here wipe and new wipe. That's it. So this is available. So if it not available, you can just add extra word like cage, anything you can add. Then when it's trick mark, I mean right mark, then you can going in the next step. So description. So you can write here any description about your project. So I don't need. So I type this one again. Okay. So you need to choose this public or private. This repository public or private. So you can choose one, which one you want. Like there's I want to click it public, then add readme sizing only for turn on it, then it. So now you need to click on this create a repository. That's it. Then you are going to the next page. So now you need to click on this add file, then upload file or create new file. So I click on upload file, then you can upload a file on you on here, any file from your computer. That's it. Then once you've done it, you need to just click on submit changes. That's it. So this is a way you can create a repository on GitHub. So if you found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you in the care. Goodbye.